You like it? Chop, chop, chop. You like it? Okay. Take it. Careful, eh? Ah. Hey. Hey. Where's your mother now?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hey. But where's your mother now, eh? I can't do this on my own. Come on, eh? Come on. Goodness! You messed up your school. Where is Udrak? I'm coming. Udrak! Udrak! Hey! Udrak! 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 Madam! What are you doing here? Madam, the doctor needs to eat. They want to eat food. They are there. Where is the money you took from my room? 20,000 naira. Madam, which money? Where is the money you took from my room? Madam, I need the money.
The money.
I didn't take any
Oh,
money.
you didn't take it. Don't worry, by the time I finish with you, you will confess. Tell me. Where did you take the money?
I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money.
Let's see.
I didn't carry any money. Don't make me.
Just stay out of this. Sweetheart, stay out of this, okay? If torturing her is the only way I'll make her confess where she hid the money, so shall it be.
And you said
I didn't carry any money.
Look at her, a common thief. I brought you into this house to serve me. And I pay you very well for serving me. And all you could do is turn around and steal my money? Rob me?
yeah, Madam, talk to me.
Madam, I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money. Madam, I didn't carry any money.
Oh, stop that rubbish. Tell us where the money is.
Did you hear that? Did you hear her?
I didn't carry any money, madam. I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money.
There's no need to flog you in the house. First thing tomorrow morning, you out of my house. Period.
Madam, talk about I didn't carry any money.
Madam, you better bring out the money. Bring it out. You're such a fool.
Madam, it's not true. It's not true. I didn't carry any money.
I'm disappointed at you. I'm so disappointed.
Madam, please, forgive me. Madam, I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money. Madam, please. I didn't carry any money. I
like that. Oh, Ngozi. What is the problem? You're mad already. Why are you shouting my name like this for this hotting weather? Why?
Me mad? It is your mother! Your generations that are mad! Eh? Foolish girl!
Let me tell you something. You are stupidity. You are not well at all. Because right now I just come in here, I ask you question, you will insult my generation. You calling my ancestors, they're calling you. They're calling you. What is your problem? I don't want to have problem with you. Don't come in here and look for my trouble anyhow, because if I give it to you, you cannot take it back.
You are not ashamed of yourself. Common English, you cannot speak.
Did I not speak English now? Oh, you could English. That is by the way. Let me tell you, if you mistakenly call my ancestors again, calling their name anyhow, insulting me, I will teach you lesson. If I teach you that lesson, you cannot learn it. If I teach you that lesson, you cannot learn it. Try it again.
Terry, why will you come to my mother's house and collect our truck? Is it your own? Is it for you?
You are stupidity. Before I go your house, I go collect truck before. Today is not the first thing day I am collecting truck. Why you come make problem today? Because you want to find territory trouble. Okay, that's why you're coming here to waka star on Baka. Before I know they go there, I carry it before. I carry it before always. I come there, Mama, I know see. You, I know see. I carry truck. Now I fetch water, finish, I drop water. I'm going to drop your truck, and you're coming here, you're insulting me, insulting everybody, including my spirit. Dysons. See, me and you. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me, oh. If it is nonsense that it is worrying you, go and pack it one side. Because if you try me today, you will regretting it.
Me, trouble. You are a thief, eh? Criminal.
Hey! What you're speaking now? No, what did you just talking right now? Mama, thief, territory. If you see, shut up. If you say it again, Mama go la, you check for again. Thief again.
Thief, criminal.
You stupid! I didn't even say that way. You insulting me. Insulting me. See, next time, you are seeing Teresa. Shut up. Next time, you are seeing Teresa. You are respecting Teresa. You are Sebako. Sebako, idiot.
Don't worry.
Sebako.
You will see what I'm going to do. Don't worry. I will stay with you.
You are very stupid. You are nonsense. You come in here, you talking to me anyhow, as if I'm getting no sense. Come and try it again, idiot. Try coming back here next time and insulting me. I will teaching you a lesson. Look at Oluku talking to me about English. In my primary school, I took in first position. Primary school, nursery school, I took in first position. You are talking nonsense.
Calm down. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you to calm down, please. Wait to Obi. Biko, why am I mad? Mara, Biko.
How can you tell me to calm down? How can I calm down when you're stupid and white that always see my mama converted and you're telling me to calm down?
Whatever. Don't you ever calling me stupid. Don't you do it. As you see me, my sense is very completing. Don't you ever calling me stupid, girl. Did you asking your daughter what she do? Did you asking her?
Terry, Mama, who invited you here?
Mama,
get inside.
Mama, I'm not going inside. This stupidity girl is insulting me. You know what she's telling me? Or you thinking I just come, I fight? No, Mama, I don't do like that. I have consciousness. I cannot come and fight like that. She's looking for my trouble. That's why I beat her.
What did she do that you almost remove her tooth? What did she do?
Oh, Chelo. Was that what you told her? That I removed your teeth? You still have teeth to talk, no problem. You see, next time, I will remove your eyes, remove your legs, remove your waist, everything. This stupid girl that I go to your house every time I go, I bolo balo, I return. I go, I bolo balo, I return. Today I go, I bolo balo. I did not see anybody in their house. I said knock, I did not see anybody. I just carry balo. I come back here, I drop water to take balo back to them. I chop balo, I thief balo. Did I thief the balo? I did not thief it. To taking it back to them and she's here, she insults me, she insults my ancestors. All the spirits that is in this house, she call all of them, she insults them together. And you're telling me to leave in her. See, that one I beat you today is part one. I will beating you another one, except you respect yourself.
Are you not a thief? What is the difference between you and a thief? You get to my house. You get to my house. You want to beat her? Let me teach her a little lesson. Allow her, let her come out. Let her come out, let me teach her a little lesson. Come out. Terry, I will teach her a lesson she will never forget in her life.
Calm down.
Hey!
Calm down.
Egod!
Egod.
Papa!
Please. Please.
Me, Egod, you beat my honor.
Egod. I am begging you.
Hey!
Whatever you spent in taking care of your daughter, I am going to pay you back. Please. I am begging you.
You are telling me to calm down. Let's go.
Hey! You have a mouth to talk in. Mama!
Daddy, somebody want to English. Somebody want.
Mama, lingo. Mama, I just coming back from palace. So.
And what did Igwe say?
Igwe is talking something I don't understand, Mento. He's saying that I go and bring in foul because I fight.
Good. Are you surprised? You are aware of the fine for fighting in this village, yet you went ahead and fought. Go and settle them.
Mama, so you are supportless with what Igwe is saying, Okwia? You are supportless with what Igwe is saying. I'm looking for their trouble. Is she not the one who is bringing her own trouble to me and I'm giving her my own trouble back? I'm looking for her trouble.
Will you shut up? I knew how much I have spent on Ngosi's treatment. The money we're supposed to use and take care of ourselves in this house. We're supposed to use the money for feeding. Because I use it in settling your troubles. Why are you treating me like this?
Mama, Mama, I cannot stay on my own and somebody will call in trouble and come and I will not give my own trouble. Inside this thing, let me tell you something. You see, inside this thing, I did not do anything wrong. I did not do anything wrong because no natural moku. Okay, now they are telling me to go and bring in foul because I beat her more. If she's beating me more, they are not asking foul. Foul. Is it nice? Is it nice? Who is bringing foul for her?
That is your business. Go and look for money and give them foul. Do you hear me? I am not going to contribute a dime to this trouble.
Because right now I work in nothing. There is no place I can go and get money. And you are telling me I go bring money and give them. There's no reason. I have to go and theft somebody's things.
That is not my business. However you are going to get the money, go and get it. My 1 naira will not enter this matter.
Okay. No problem. I know you want me to go and thief you. Today I fighting your complaint. If I thief you, don't complain. No. Because now you cannot give me money. I can go and thief you anywhere. I will thief you. I will go to people's house. I will thief in anything I see there. I thief it. I sell it. I sell it to you. This is I'm not supporting.
Oh, my who got it up?
I'm not taking anything.
Shut up! I said, shut up your mouth. Now you Cletus, listen to me.
Sir?
I know both of you are friends.
Hey!
Yes. I'm not accusing you. Okay? Just listen to it. You can't argue with your friends, I know. But you see, she is leaving this house today. And the moment she leaves, henceforth, I don't want to see her around this vicinity. Okay. If I set my eyes on her, Cletus, that day, you'll leave as well.
Madam! How am I to turn this kind of thing? Somebody, don't think something, call me my friend. See, I swear, Asamo, he never ever give me double ration of food before. Talkless of the waiting he take now, come give me. Oh, I'm not taking friend.
Shut up!
I don't take anything, no, I don't take anything.
Take this thing out of my house this minute.
I don't take anything. Move before I move you. Mom, take my see, move on. I don't take anything, Madam, I don't take anything.
You have to take her out of this house.
Both of them are very
I don't move, I don't. Move.
Yep.
Have you finished bathing Mimi and giving her breakfast?
What are you talking about? Hmm?
I want to drop on my way to work. It's almost 7:30.
You didn't ask me to beat her. Besides, I thought you were going to take care of that.
Are you serious? You mean you've been here? You know what, sweetheart? You drop out to yourself. Thank you.
But you can see I'm busy. I have an online seminar to attend to, and it's something I wouldn't want to miss.
And I have a job that demands my punctuality. It's almost 7:30. No further questions, sweetheart. I'm off.
Are you kidding me? You possibly can't leave me and the kid at home. Come on, girl.
Sweetie, prepare her for school. She's equally your child. Love you. Take care. Bye.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
How many times will I tell you? It's not Oga Lobby. It's Mr. Robinson. Now you say after me, Mr. Robinson.
Oga Robinson.
Okay, whatever. It's okay. It's okay.
Oga, wait. Cho. He don't read you. Okay, he don't read.
Oh, wait a minute. What are you doing with the sachets of water? Instead of you to open the gates for me, how can't you see that Mimi is late for school already?
Okay, it is I want to come back. He doesn't say Mimi. I want to come and watch the soap when they are here now. Yeah? See, yeah, soap.
Oh. My bad. I didn't see that. Anyways, let me have the water, okay? I can do that myself. Go get it. Go.
Okay, Robbie. Be like say today na bag school free day or school bag free day.
How do you mean?
Mimi not carry school bag, he not carry anything.
Oh. My God. I forgot that as well. It's all good. Thank you. Oh, Mr. Cletus, please tell me. What else does she need to go to school, please?
I want to know now. He not resemble me, I not resemble her. Now me being Papa.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Sorry, sir.
Look at this idiot. Oh, sorry. Does my daughter look like you?
No.
As ugly as you look. Oh, shut up and get inside. Go get a school bag for me. You look like an imbecile.
Thank you, sir.
Promise you not be late for school tomorrow, okay?
Dad, what's a 1-2 black?
Auntie Black is not the right answer for you. Okay? All you have now is me and your mother. And I promise we are going to take good care of you, okay? So my girl, are you happy? Give that here. That's my girl. Okay. No. Sorry.
And here comes a jolly good fella. The very serious man, Chief Security Officer, Axwell for conversation. For this house, why they tell you, not only wins in beauty, none of the Somebody want kidding delicious. I see the design, don't pass you. I beg you, touch your head. Somebody dance back in the dish. Don't make a body sing for this one.
Terry the troublemaker.
It's again.
Yes, you are the troublemaker.
Stopping it. You know, stopping it. Is this how you're greeting me now or you're insulting me?
Who is greeting you? The Igwe is waiting for you for the file he asked you for. Mike Tassin, Onuku.
Huh?
Yes.
Hey, Terry. So it is a me that you're calling Onuku. It is a me that you're calling Onuku.
Yes.
Hey. Go thanking your gods because Igwe already say nobody fighting in this village. If you're fighting, you're paying money. If not, we'll take money. If not, next time you're seeing me, you're giving me so much respect that you're supposed to give it to me.
Ewu. Look at you. All you know is how to fight. Miss Fighter. Ordinary wire you can't pass.
Who are miserable? Who are miserable? You're looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble, oh. It's not because he was saying that nobody is fighting in this village. That is why I'm keeping quiet. And now you're wanting to taking it as an advantagement. To taking it and insult me. But I will not allow you. If you insult me again, it's your mom.
Are you Megan? Can you do anything? Can you and your poor miserable mother afford ordinary fowl?
You are the fowl, and I can afford you now. I must afford you now. You're calling my mother miserable. I can afford you now. I can afford you. Am I not affording you? Yeah, but am I not affording you? Next time you're giving me my Gambia. Every time I stay in this village, I say Teri. I am not fighting, they no go let me. Every time they are looking for my trouble. If you are looking for my trouble, I fighting every day. You're calling my mother. Your own miserable man, and you don't know it. You're calling another person mother. Let me catch you another day and see you mom.
Who cannot kill me in this house? Teri, fetch water. Teri, firewood. Teri, machete the grass. Teri. Just walk this one small. I'm going to rest him.
Okay, sir. Can the stupid girl that beat up my daughter?
Mama!
Arrest her!
Mama!
Arrest
Mama!
her! That is her!
My mama is around it. What is going on here?
Is it not your
After her! Don't allow her to escape!
Is it not your stupid daughter that beat up my daughter? Eh? She had the effrontery, the guts to beat my daughter. I swear, I will deal with her this afternoon.
Nine, please calm down. Nine, this is too much. You shouldn't have gone this far. Bringing police to this case. Nine, please.
No! It's not too much. I must make her to suffer. Eh? Oh.
Nine, please calm down. Calm down. She's just a little girl. Eh? We can settle this without the police. Biko.
Settle what? Eh? Settle what without the police? Look at my daughter's teeth. Scattered and just swollen. And you are telling me to settle that. I heard about how she used to beat up people's daughter and nothing happens. It will not be so in my own. No, I will tell her I'm the liar. I will tell her why I'm the liar.
Where is she?
She has escaped.
What?
Nine, please. I'm begging you. Officer, please. Please, officer. I am begging you. Nine. Biko, please.
Officer, I will move straight to Igwe Palace and make my report. When I come back here, I will teach her if I go to Tiokoeme. I will teach her why I'm the lion. Let's go. Come.
Better warn your daughter.
I will.
Mimi, I don't understand this your cry, eh? Wait, they flog you for school. They thief your book. Why you come dey cry now? Your cry they won't make me cry, oh. Eh? You dey hungry? Oh? Hey! And the upper when I buy, it don't finish. And you know we come back. But I get plan B, plan B option there. Wait. Yeah, open your hand. Chop am. Yeah. You go hold your belly. No dey waste time, oh. It's expensive. No dey waste time. Chop am so that your belly go know say something dey come. Chop am. I don't believe now. Like say your woman don't come. Mother, no come.
Moro is welcome back.
Okay. My father is a cop.
Sit down. I'm so sorry. It's okay. I'm here. What are you eating? Goodness. Who gave you this? Cletus!
Ma?
Come here. Who gave this to my daughter?
Okay. Madam, not be small thing I see today. Oh. Mimi come back. He come dey cry. Now ask him. They flog you for school. He say no. They thief your book. He say no. He say he dey hungry. And I don't chop the plantain when they for that small box. So I can't do option B. Can't give am bankan. Make them obey.
Come closer. How dare you? How dare you give such a thing to my daughter to eat? Do you want her to choke?
Madam, now wait here they chop for village when at their age. Now make me strong now.
You're very stupid. Does she look like a village girl? Does she look bush to you? Idiot. Never mind, I'll deal with you later.
Wait, oh. Hey, if you go deal with me, no problem. But first, you see, say she need food. I need food. I beg. Or you go bring a dog back. Or anybody where go they give us food. Madam, you know sir, I get ulcer. I get ulcer.
I don't blame you. I'm now your cook, isn't it? Idiot. Don't worry, I'll deal with you. Let me feed my child first. Sorry, okay?
Madam, you won't feed your child. Me, I'm the best child. Who will come feed me? I say when I apply for oil company to guide oil, they take me. I'm going to guide this house. I don't blame you. It is easy to guide this big house. If I die for you, problem.
Somebody want kill English. Somebody want finish English. I tell you kill English. Tell you don't hammer English. I see the missile don't pass you. I beg you, touch your head.
Mama Lingo.
Where are you going to? If you know wherever you are coming from, oh yeah, go back to that place. Go back to that place now!
Mama, if it is joking, you're joking. You're stopping it now. How can I go back where I'm coming from? This is my mothering house.
Do I look like I'm joking? Go back to wherever you're coming from.
Going to where? Going to where? Where you wanting me to go to?
Let me just tell you something. Go and look for money to buy fowl for you.
Hey, money pa. Mama, you know Teri is not working. Teri is not having money. Where are you getting money to give to Igwe?
Go and look for money to buy fowl to settle this fight that you just fought.
They're asking fowl?
Yes, Igwe sent his guards to collect 3 good fowls from you. Miss Fight, go and settle what you started.
Chineke, hey! Teri fuck, go up. Igwe sending them to come and collect 3 fowl while I beating 1 fowl beating. So bad draw. Mama, that's your fowl there. We're taking it to Igwe to settle everything.
Listen, any day I come back and start looking for that fowl, if anything happens to any of my fowl, what I will do to you will not give you a chance.
Where I getting money for fowl now? Where I getting money for fowl? I don't have anything I do. Teri no work, Teri no do anything. I thief.
Go and look for money and settle your mess.
No problem. Let me go inside and looking for something to do.
Don't try it. Ha! Get out of here now!
Mama, you're wanting me to go and commit adultery and it is not good. You're looking for a young girl like me, fine girl, you're asking me to go out. You're exposing me to temptation. How you want me to go and get money? I follow man. Okay, no problem. If you want me to go and follow man and commit adultery, you so bad run. Mama, you will not like it though. A man like kwayo.
If you like, commit adultery. If you like, commit akunakuna or baoringo. It's none of my business. Go and look for money. That's what I said.
No problem. Since you have given me the certificate.
I will wound you.
Oh, okay, no problem. I'm going to look money, but for now, can I go to the Yoko? It's worrying me in my stomach. My stomach is doing push. Let me go and eat something.
I will wound you. Get out of here now. Mama, I'm not stepping your feet into this house until you go and settle with Igwe.
Mama, you're my mother in Okea, and my father, he died since he's my father. I know when my father married you to come this house. This house was already here before they married you to come from your father's house. So this is my father's house.
Somebody want finish English. I tell you kill English. Tell you don't hammer English. I see the missile don't pass.
Stop it. Stay off me.
Meaning?
Meaning I am not in the mood.
Sweetie, how can you say you're not in the mood? We were busy. It's only night to
No, Tracy, listen to me. Seriously. I don't understand what is happening in our marriage. I don't understand. I mean, to me, it seems you not devote more time to your job than your family. Right?
Really?
Oh, yes, of course.
Discuss this tonight.
It's not funny to me anymore. It's not funny anymore, okay? That I will wake up in the morning and dress me for school with you, the mother, sitting there for what?
And how, is that a crime? Is that a crime for a father to take care of a child?
You asking me that question? Tell me, who's the mother? For crying out loud, you are the mother, and it's your duty to take care of her. Besides, you know I'm a very busy man.
Same here. You know I'm expected to be at the office latest 7:30 in the morning, and you know you're aware of it. Please.
I see. So you are okay with your daughter growing up without knowing much about the mother? While you're out there attending to some stupid job?
Whoa. Take it easy. You just called my job stupid.
It's stupid! Yes, it is!
Sweetheart, the job needs my punctuality. Understand? And I offer to be driving her to school while you prepare her. Division of labor.
Oh, I say, you are unfair, okay? You are a mother, you will bathe her, you will dress her for school, you will fill her breakfast, and you take her to school. Period!
You know what? I'm not ready for this right now. I don't have time for this. Like I said, it is not a crime for a father to take care of her child. Listen, sweetheart, don't even fritter your breath on this because I've shared it. Do your part or stop complaining. Good night.
Oh, you can't be serious. You're telling me you've done it. What's wrong with you? Huh?
Mama Lingo, there is something I want to tell you. I want to live in this village and live in the city.
What do you say?
I want to go into the city. I want to go in there to looking for something to do. I cannot come in here and stay in here like this. Check any and all the bad. I have to go into the city.
Is it because of the power that you asked you to do?
It is not eating. It is not eating. I want to go into the city to go and looking for greener pasture.
Who do you know in the city that you want to stay with?
I know him plenty people, but I want to go to Auntie Joy house.
Hi! It's over my dead body. You know what Joy does in Onisha?
She is a prostitute. Yeah, Mama. It is only a hearing say. You're hearing from people, you're saying. You are not sure she's doing kwalangida in the city.
Hi! My dear, you can go to any other city, but not Onisha. I cannot risk you. I know you're stubborn, but I cannot risk you going there to join prostitution.
Hey, Mama. But you're sending me before to go looking for money for farm.
No, you cannot. No, don't go again.
Okay, Ma Bazna. I have to go and looking for greener pasture.
Don't worry. If it's the fowl that you will ask you to bring, I'm going to provide it.
Bring it now. Mama, bring the money now too, because when I telling you to giving me the money, it's a mamba. Kita no, I want to go to the city. Can you show my greener pasture? It's the same giving the money. Bring it now. I am going to the city.
I will give you money.
Mama, I am going to the city.
Come, wait.
Mama, bring it now.
You are not going to that city.
Wow. Good morning, my angel. How are you?
I can see you're all dressed for school. Good. Okay, I'm in a hurry now. Mommy will drop you off, okay?
Okay, Dad. Goodbye, Dad.
Okay, goodbye. See you later on the day.
When did you mess up your school uniform? You know what? I can't deal with this right now. I have to go to work. Please find a way and sort yourself out, okay? Please, my angel. I'll send to you to come down with you, okay? I love you. Bye, Mom. Bye.
Madam. Good morning, ma'am. Oga just come on now.
Did I ask you? Mumu? Go inside and get my child ready for school. We'll take her to school today.
Madam. Which car go take carry her go because you not give me the car key.
You use the other car. The key is in the living room at the center table.
Okay. Madam Robbie, see you're looking tantalizing and A blue shoes.
My friend, open the gate for me. And make sure she gets to school on time. Did you hear me?
No, I go quick. I go cut. Hold up. You know, sir, no road well. I will cut hold up.
Open the gate for me, or do you want me to fire you?
Hey.
Get going, hurry.
Go. Fire you. Only you. Carry my biggie. Go school. Only me. Guide the house. Only me. Open the gate. Only me. Ready picking when I'm not born. I follow na born now. If I born my own, I'm going to ready. Mimi. Hey. Hey. What though? No need you load this food like who they go Third World War for. Yeah? You see your uniform. Yeah? Hey now. I go clean you up. You be toilet. Yeah? I the jump. Hey! Wow. Like say, they feed me with this kind of food. I forget sense well. Yeah? Give me small. Because I say small, I been winch. Now this one you they give me. Chop now. Only you chop and finish. Yeah? And that one you give me. Not say you sabi cry for food. Oh yeah, there is. Boy. Enjoyment won't kill you. Now this house they be say my guy though. You not join my salary problem. Guide the house now. You don't involve. Take care of her. Clean her up. Only you.
Mimi, I don't understand though. This one you just they shake like this, like fish when they inside water. I don't understand you. Which kind of thing be this now? Hi. Oh. Be like say your papa or your mama don't come. That one. Madam, welcome.
My baby.
Madam.
What happened?
Sorry.
I don't know. As he come back from school, now yeah, he did since. He just they shake like fish when enter inside water. Eh? I even give him up to chop. He not gree chop.
Her body is so cold. Why did you allow her to sit on the ground? What is wrong with you, Cletus? Are you stupid?
Hey.
So sorry.
Madam, you don't dash me your phone.
Moron.
Wait here I do now, eh? So then I don't call me Morocco. Eh? I mean the rock when they near Azo rock. Okay. Morocco. See rock. Oh, it gonna be rock selling. And I don't get big belly. How you gonna call me rock? I mean a rock, they won't take care of the picking. Eh?
Whew. Thank you. What did the doctor say?
She has cold. You know, she was lying on the floor for a long time before I came back.
Why? You mean you saw her lying on the bare floor? When you have someone like Cletus in this house?
That fool? Please. He can barely man the gate, not to talk of doing another work like house help or nanny. Don't mind that fool.
I'm not really happy about this. I'm not.
Sweetheart, it's okay. It's our fault. We are parents. None of us was there for her.
But I thought you should be home by now.
Really? Sweetie,
You've
started again. You know the nature of my job. I'm not supposed to be home until I'm done for the day's duty. Please.
Well, maybe we would need to hire the services of another housemaid. Yes, though it was against my wish, but now that it's exigent, we just have to do it.
That would be nice. Are you going to source for one?
I don't have time. I always go to the office. Then just do it. Just arrange for one, okay? Somebody have to do her, okay? Before we come back from work.
Okay, no problem. I'll do just that. Hopefully we get a nice person very soon. So can you help me get her drinks, please? I'm so tired and I've not removed my clothes since I came back from work. I still have to cook.
Oh, forget about cooking. I'll get us something to eat by the time I go out, okay? Let me get the drawers.
Somebody want kill English, somebody want finish English, I kill English, Teddy don't hammer English, I see the design don't pass, I bet you touch your head, somebody don't speak English,
Count it.
It is a 4,000 naira.
Yes. Use it to buy 2 fowl. 2,000 naira each and give it to him. Since you've given him one before.
Mama Lingo, you can some mad Thank you so
Am I
much.
not trying my best? Tomorrow again, go and fight. And you will be the one to pay the money or get arrested. Anybody that you beat his or her child again, I will hand you over to the person and tell the person to deal with you whatever the person wishes.
Yes. Ha. Mama, you're warning me, you're warning people also. Because I go in on my own, they're looking for my trouble. I'm giving it back.
Even if they look for your trouble, come and report to me. I am your mother. Do you hear me? Do not say I did not warn you. Teresa, I am warning you before you say your mother is a wicked woman. Do you hear me? I am warning you.
Mama, no problem, no so bad. Let me go and buy in the chicken for Igwe so that Kori one. Next time they are looking for my trouble, because I know I will pay chicken money, I will beat very well.
I go and fight. I go in already. Go and get the money to settle me. Yeah? I will not die because I Terry, 4,000 naira. Money we would have used to feed in this house. We are not giving it out without thank you.
I used to.
Hey, I'm not calling Terry again. Sorry, I'm sorry.
I go in my phone, you calling me Terry.
I'm not calling, please, I'm not
I'm looking for
I'm not calling again. Please, please. Hey, please. I'm not, please,
to me. Anyhow, you watching it. And I'm killing you today. I'm killing you. You dying.
Please.
Next time you see me, you're giving me
I'm not calling you again. Please, I'm not calling you. Because,
Ay! My waist too! My waist, you know! Hey! My waist too!
Hey!
No!
Oh, one,
It's okay! It isn't okay! Please hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Oh my God, I'm finished! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Hey!
Mama! What's in there? What is it? Why are you shouting my name and partying like this?
It's your sister, Mama.
She has got to fight with another person, eh?
No, Mama. Something bad has happened to her.
What's happened to my daughter?
Oh, she had an accident.
Accident?
My car.
Hey, Chimo. Yeah, Mama. Come and show me. Come and show me. Come and show me. Come and show me. Hey.
Doctor, please, how is she? Is she sustaining any fracture in her bone? I have a friend who works at the orthopedic hospital.
No fracture. She just lucky, just a little dislocation on her ankle, which my nurse is attending to. But we need to carry out X-ray on her in order for us to rule out any possibility of internal bleeding occurring in her body.
Okay, doctor, please do that immediately. Whatever it will take for her to be alright, just do it, okay? I'll put the bill. Money is not the problem, okay? How long will it take for the X-ray to be ready?
Just a couple of minutes. What about her family? Were you able to contact them?
No, but since she has regained consciousness, she'll take me to her family after her treatment.
Alright, no problem. I'll get back to you. Please, just complete that to verify.
See, Mimi, when they say make I take care of you, I just agree because I know say you be better pikin. Fine girl, better pikin, fine girl. Oh yeah, chop. Hey, now yeah, voila, don't come wear boba, come wear face cap, come go wear rainbow because I know say you know the hear pidgin English. If I even decide to speak French, you know go hear only English you dey hear. Now then me and you go get problem. Oh. See, I open your mouth, make I feed you. Open your mouth. Ha! Which kind pikin be this now? Wetin happen? Eat now.
I want to see my mommy.
Is it? So you know here say your mama say e dey come.
I want to see my mommy.
See, Mimi, I tell you true, True to God, when I dey your age, they know they give me this kind of food. My eat oh. When I dey your age, only two places my papa they carry me go. Wakekeeping and crusade. The wakekeeping, we'll go chop. Whether we know who die, we not know. We'll just go chop. Then the crusade, now when we don't misbehave as you they misbehave, so they go carry us go for healing and deliverance. You don't start to eat this food, even though me I don't chop my own. My eye dey inside this your food though. My eye dey inside. Now open your mouth. See, open your mouth. Maybe this food is sweet now. The food is sweet. Open your mouth. Which one be you be deaf and dumb? Open your mouth. You don't want to eat. See, we are from come, they're not a waste food though. They're not a waste food because even Bible talk and say if you waste food, you'll go a fire. Me, I not fit because of this, your food can't go a fire. Oh yeah, eat. See this speaking, don't tear my comrade uniform. Your mama say they come. Okay, oh yeah, then they cry. No worry, make I help you out. You give them all this thing why you dey knock me, ma they replace her. You dey knock and come out by hand, and they put her by mouth. So Mimi, not let Bebe choke me up, as you no want chop, so they not dey waste food for where from come. Mimi, egg dey. You no want chop egg. Now fried one, not cooked. You know one chop.
My daughter, can I get you a glass of water since we don't have food at home?
No, Mama, don't bother yourself. I'm so sorry for the incident. I'm sorry, please.
It was not your fault. Just an accident. Some people might not even care to stop and look at the person they hate. But you took her to the hospital. Thank you very much. God bless you.
I appreciate it. My dear, I hope the pains have subsided. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine in a matter of days, according to the doctor. I'm so sorry. It has been, okay. This is such a nice and quiet environment. What of your other children?
Oh, Teresa is my only child. I am just a widow.
I'm so sorry for asking.
Thanks for understanding.
I was actually on my way to the village to see my parents. Have you heard of this village? Yes. It's getting late now. So I'll be coming from time to time to check. What for?
Mama, just paying for the accident.
No, not at all, ma. Use it and take care of Teresa here. Whatever she needs, whatever she wants, I'll make her recover very fast, okay? Alright.
Thank you.
Let's see you.
Thank you.
I tell you.
Thank you.
Very beautiful.
You're very funny.
Sorry. God bless you. Okay.
Let's see
I'll be
you.
on my way now.
Knocking me down, not you.
Oh my darling.
Sweetheart.
Oh,
You're welcome.
Tell me who missed me? I was involved in some late night meetings.
Yeah, you said that on the phone. And you also said I shouldn't keep dealing.
Yeah, that's true. Because I had dinner. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Nice. So, where's Mimi?
She's already asleep.
So tell me,
Were you able to meet the maid and clearance your friends with your daughter?
No. So there's something off. Something tragic happened today.
What is it?
I knocked down something.
For real? Please, don't tell me. Don't be victimized.
I thank God. I rushed out to the hospital and I'm getting there. The doctor said it's just dislocation. Minor dislocation.
For goodness. So, how are you? Hope you're good.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
Oh, I'm worried, okay? Sorry. Sorry.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
Honey, please be careful next time, okay? Please.
Girl is, she's at home now. I took her back to her mother. The doctor says she'll be coming from time to time for checkup.
Okay, okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. So, maybe the issue of the maid should wait from now until the victim comes up with it again. Okay?
Sweetheart, there's nothing to worry about. She's fine. I told you it's just a minor dislocation. She's fine.
Is that good?
Okay.
Man, today was hectic. Very, very hectic.
Somebody want kill English, tell it. Somebody want finish English, tell it. I tell it kill English, tell it. Tell it don't hammer English, tell it.
Terry? Terry?
Mama,
You are here? I've been looking for you now, calling you.
I'm brushing it here. I thought I'm amazing. Teresa, you want from the city is here. Yes, she wants to see you. Please don't keep her waiting. That's a fine woman. She's a kind-hearted. Brush quick. I come in. I'm coming out to go. Wash your mouth. I'm coming.
Somebody want kill English, tell it. Somebody want finish English, tell it. I tell it kill English, tell it. Tell it don't hammer English, tell it. I see the visa, he don't pass you, tell it. I beg you, touch your head, tell it. Somebody don't speak English, tell it. Don't make a body sing for this one, tell it.
You're welcome. You're very welcome.
Thank you very much, Teresa.
I believe your mother has briefed you about
My mission here.
Yes, she's telling me already, but I don't know you're coming this very day.
That's not a problem. I can wait while you go inside and get ready.
I'm going as usual. You're very welcome.
My daughter, thank you very much for offering to help. Since you said you want to take my daughter to the city to live with you, God will bless you.
You're welcome, Mama.
There is nothing I can say because since my daughter has decided to follow you, she's old enough to take decision. Thank you. But my sister, please, I am begging you, take care of her. She's all I've got. No other child, no husband. Please, learn to tolerate her. Please, my daughter. Teach her anything that you see that she doesn't know how to do. Help me to teach her. Please. Terry is a good girl, but sometimes I just want you to take care of her for me, please.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I've heard you. You don't need to bother yourself.
I will take Teresa as my own sister. Thank you very much. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
your chicken can city, but you see it. Mama, you can hear that thing. Why don't they find for Kenu? It's already no Kana.
Auntie, why are you like this? What are you wearing?
Auntie, you're not knowing it. Auntie, you're coming, you're looking very beautifulness. And this thing you're wearing, I have not seen it before. So can you get my own? Because I know this type of you're not seen it before. I put in everything inside. Auntie, you know this thing, you know it, I'm not funny, but you people calling it canopy. But you getting my friend the way coming back from Lagos, you can't tell me. So now Lagos people calling it Geleu. You're looking at Geleu, I tying it to myself, everything I mixing it. City here I comments. City here I comments. You rocking it? You rocking it? I know you're rocking it because you're not seeing it. Okay, I put it as well. Mama, I'll call you. I reach we carry you. Where I put it? Put your bag. Okay.
Somebody want
Auntie, I'm putting it. Where I'm sitting down. Ma, take it care of me. Take it care of me. I got it too. Guys,
somebody doesn't back and here comes a jolly good fella.
Oh my darling. How are you?
What about Cletus? I didn't see him at the gate.
Oh, I asked him to go get ice cream for me. He'll be back.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, darling. This is the girl I've been telling you about. Her name is Teresa.
Oh! Yeah! I thought as much. I see. Teresa, how are you? I said, how are you?
Sweetie, my husband is talking to you.
I'm in finest.
You know what? Go to the booth and get your bag so I can take it to your room. Hurry.
I'm going to let
Is this who you brought to the house? I mean, yeah, it's true. We did the house help, but I thought you would bring home someone way better than Udwak. I asked her a simple question, how are you? And her reply to me was, I am finest.
Don't worry. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. She will adjust, okay? Don't worry. She adjusts. Okay. Alright, I see you meeting. I see that I don't really need to Come.
all the way from the village, landing Telly, shaping out Winston English, Telly did. How good Winston English, oh, say yes, so somebody do what out for, oops, I mean, oof, oh, Telly, not the thief, Telly, not good person, Telly, the passion, but in English now, Telly,
my dear, welcome to my house. Hi. This is your room. No, later you can keep the bag in the wardrobe. Hi.
Hey, Auntie, hi. This looks is very fine. Hey. When I was coming in from outside, everywhere they cake on, every place is very beautifulness. Chai, just like you, the way you're shining like on. Everything good like that.
Hello? I said room, not loom. Room with an R. Say it.
This loom, it's a loom with aloe. Say it.
Sweetheart, how are you? That was good today.
Fine.
I was going to come wake you up. Now meet your new auntie. Her name is Teresa. She'll be staying with us henceforth. Say hello to her.
Hello.
Hello. How is you?
What did you just say?
She laughed first.
Say hello. What is say hello to my daughter.
Hello.
It's how are you, not how is you.
Stop! Auntie, you see the listening I telling Mama Lingo I must go into the city. You can over teaching me how to talk English. Hey, stop! Come back here. Yana bomb teri. You cannot bomb teri. What is that a name again? Mini.
Shut up! Jeez, where did you come from? Please, you have to speak good English to my daughter. You should be the one teaching her, not the other way around. If you don't do it very well, I will fire you and get another person. I'm just helping your mother.
It has not gotten to that now. It has not gotten to that. I running from her, she running from me also. That she can't know it.
Learn very fast. I don't have all the time. Sweethearts, Habi.
Mini, speaking English.
Inside the love is in our house. We sing English now, somebody wants damage. Somebody wants giving English. I'll tell you what I do. You believe you know. I take it. What's about oops? I can't move. Steady giving English. I'm not going to go. We sing English. Then you go down, go down.
Till when? Till when? Thank God you heard the awful English he spoke on the way. I mean, how are we going to cope with that? I am so disappointed. I thought you made the wise choice.
Sweetheart, you know I wouldn't go for her if not go.
That makes it worse. Our first time was sitting. Our first time being a housemaid. I mean, how are we going to cope with this first timer? A JJC?
At least she's mature. She's not some kids who will find it very difficult to adjust. Please, just give her some time. You know it's not easy to get a housemaid these days. Mothers don't like giving her their kids. Please. Just a small time. Did you hear me? Please.
It's okay. That's okay, I've heard you. Let me just pretend that I understand everything, okay? But the truth remains, I am not comfortable. I was expecting you to be someone way better than Udwa in terms of dress sense, in all ramifications, but not this. Come on, girl.
Sweetheart, thank you for understanding. Thank you very much. You're a darling. Come here. Okay. It's been a long day. Let me go in the question.
It's okay.
Thank you very much, you're a darling. Okay. Let's join in the bedroom.
All the way full of village, landing Teddy, shaking out, wasting English, Teddy, I'm wasting English, say yes, somebody do what out. I mean, push, Teddy, not the thief, Teddy, not the thief, Teddy, not sharp, but behind English now, Teddy, go down,
Goodness! What are you doing? You want to burn down my house? Are you stupid?
I often eat because the thing you go, so I can't do often eat.
This is how. Just do this.
Hey!
And it's off.
Chineke, don't you know me?
God, you're so bush.
Thank you.
By the way, what were you doing?
I stay here. Now, focusing gongo. AJ Sinabu, can make a sharp. Kill something.
Oh, please shut up. Jeez. Your English is so awful. Oh my God, I can't deal.
I know you need it. Yeah, I know that I'm not Spanish. Awful.
Anyway, I came here to teach you how to cook the jollof rice, but I can see you're already on it.
Auntie, reading that one, reading it. You see everything in this life you can teach me. Man, I hear Sisi at the village. Can see where you confirm it today. Let me cooking it for you.
Whatever. When you're done, serve the gate man. I'm sure he's hungry. Serve the dog as well. I'll be in my room.
Panke dog, wow. I can't serve the dog. I can't serve it. I cooking it finish because I calling you. Ki serve what the dog and I can't be You complaining. I speaking bad English. I cannot talk Igbo again. Can you talk Bazia? So you stop talking Igbo. Mambo Igbo. Someone stop talking Igbo.
Here comes a very good fella. The very serious chief security officer. Axwell for conversation. For this house, my the only queen none of the
I am a willing bobo. This one is not Terry?
Jesus!
Where are these boys? Will we water this flower before I lose my flight?
Shutting it, Vico. In Aquara. So, you are the get man. Madame telling me to come and give him food here. Okay?
Who? Terry? I'm supposed to take last flight to Namibia now.
What you
as a pilot
what you doing
of the CSO. You don't know the CSO?
Trying it not. Trying it not. Right? So you coming to the village, you come telling me all this plenty lie about you, telling me that you working in the Aso Rock and here one. Now I come in here catching you again and get money now. You getting them out to right more giving me. Hey! Great to see Terry. So this is what you're doing here. No. You're coming to the village telling me plenty rice. All the rice you're telling me if I'm putting it in this bucket or mandry here. The rice too much. So get man can rock where?
I'm CSO. See, even the last flight to Namibia, I fly Pilot 1, Pilot 1, 3, 3, 9.
You writing to me in the village today. I'm going to tell him, Madam, they're sacking you. Korea, I reporting you.
Of the CSO.
Auntie Madam.
Terry.
Auntie Madam.
Hey, I don't die. Hi, CSO. How waka? Hey, all the lie when I lie for village. All the lie don't find me come. Don't find me come city. Which guy?
Oh, okay. All right. I'll see to that. Thank you very much. Yeah. Whoa. Get in here.
Sweetheart.
Hey, babe.
Don't tell me you don't remember that today makes it exactly 7 years since we got married. Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, I remember, okay? I wanted to tell you that before you voiced it out.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And guess what?
But
I've got a big surprise for you tonight. Trust me on that.
really?
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait. You know your wife loves surprises.
Yeah? Come on, baby.
Jesus. Auntie, Madam, Oga, sir. Sorry I catching you people. It is not a intention because I come in to tell you here the back, only for me to come in here who go me so. But you injuring Oga here already. Are you stupid? Are you a fool? How dare you? I come in to shut up!
Will you get out?
I come in to tell you. Get out! Out! Idiot! Can you imagine?
Look at this girl. She has the infantry to barge into us just like that. Honey, I told you times with her number. I am fed up. See, she's leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. Period! She's leaving!
Sweetie, let me go talk to her, okay? Please. I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry.
That would work.
I'm sorry. Let me talk to her, okay? I'm sorry, baby. I love you. Look, I'm coming. What rubbish? Can you imagine? Kratos. In fact, your name is supposed to be Rhinus because you rhyme too much. You rhyme too much. Everything you were telling me before, everything, you rhyme. Auntie, don't auntie me, Teresa. Why did you barge into my bedroom like that? Don't you know what is called privacy? Huh? I'm not bragging in the bedding room. I opening it to asking you something. Whatever reason you have, you don't have the right to barge into my bedroom, my matrimonial bedroom. Don't you ever try that again. Do you hear me? No vexing, madam. No vexing. I not knowing you and Oga Dane inside. I was very surprised as I come in I'm not planning it to come in like that. You needing something? I don't want my madam to vexing for me.
See Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. Oh, and here comes a jolly good fella. Never, upon Mr. Kratos, the very CSO, Chief Security Officer, acts well for conversation. Oh, yeah. For this house, why they tell you, not only Quincy. None of the to communicate in our love. Waiting again, I go do. Anything I do now, I don't know what thing I go do again.
Hey! Come here! Look at you. Where are you running to? Huh? Shut up! How dare you? How dare you? I have been calling you and you refuse to answer. Because you're sleeping on duty?
Robbie. Suppose more if you won't knock me. This thing I won't dead yet, no be I.
Shut up!
I be don't reach your help. I be not rich already. Now you knock me. Come back though.
Oh, I see.
Oh, where they sleep?
I see. The house that I paid you to guard is now in Ore. Even you as a security man, now you live in Ore as well.
For dream.
Oh, I see.
Come on, open the gate for me. Sorry, sir.
Open the gate! Yes, sir. Look at you.
Hi.
Not to do Ore.
And here comes a jolly good fella. Oh, boy, Mr. Cletus. The very CSO, Chief Security Officer, Axwell for Conversation.
Robin. I don't forget my name, oh. This knock when he knocked me now, don't forget my name. Cletus. Hey. Hi. Okay, Cletus who? Hey. The person they knock like this.
Somebody want to buy epilepsy. I'll tell you what I do. You believe in us. I tell you.
That is speaking like Kasala.
That is English. I'm a got you. With English. Then go down. Ukulata. Ukudogan. Baby, wait. Tell I'm a English. Somebody want to English. Somebody want finish.
I sending you again, okay? Okay, I sending you again. Today I'm not fighting anybody. I staying in the farm and I'm farming for my mother. I'm not fighting anybody. You guys sending you to arresting me. You guys sending you to arresting me. I'm not fighting, no.
This is Comrade CSO. Terry. What do you do here now?
Kratos.
You go kaka. I be now farm be this.
Now you be this.
Close your leg when you talk to a comrade.
You making me to Kujari and Maja.
Now so they greet us.
Where are you coming back from?
Hey, what you do here now?
I'm coming to farm, no. This is my papa farm. From ever Ronambada, we are getting it all over.
Ah, you want change your color? Make you come be like me when I go Fourth World War? Eh? See, Terry. Tell me how many people go fit clear all this farm.
You're making me laughing. Talking easy, the very easy, man. I'm doing it, baby. Because if I bring in people to come and clearing this farm, I paying them money. Terry, I know work. Terry, I know get money. How I getting money to pay them?
Just calculate, check, and tell me how many people go fit clear all this place. How many people?
Calculation no be the problem. It's paying the money we have to.
I know they follow me, they argue. How many people?
Okay. Calculate because the land is big.
In totally, four peoples.
Only 4?
Yes, 4 peoples is okay.
Oh, and my boys just dropped me now with my healers. I consider they go back because bad road there. Eh? Not be Moses and Shukudi for follow you, they do this work, but leave them.
You're getting boys and motor.
How much do they pay workers for village here? How much?
They're paying per day, you know. Working one day, you're paying one person 2,000 naira.
2,000 naira. That not be money now. That not be money. You say you need 3 people.
4.
Make we make them 5. Make it be round
5 people?
Yes. And I don't want to pay them 2,000 no. Make them for take their church mind. They do this work. My comrade, they talk so.
How much I pay you now?
I won't pay them double. See, I go pay them 4,000. Double. So that they go take their church mind, do this work well.
You're bringing it?
I don't want to make they do bad work. They go clear everywhere. So far they not kill the cassava and the yam.
Okay, see, make I telling you something. If it were me, as you see me so, I like cannot talk and do. I hate it if somebody coming, he talking. Or when he go, the person will run away. I told him that one. You're making a promise right now. You know you go now. I go in and calling farmers to come do the job for me.
Now, make I shock you. Even though you not be electric, make I shock you. You see that house where they build? Now me give an out to contractor because of kidnappers. They not carry me.
Your personality house?
To know the kind of money when I don't make.
Hey, Jesus!
And you see that house? I won't dash them out. Not be saying that I won't stay. Yes.
Hi. This God that is doing everything for you.
So 16,000. I mean 15,000. Not be anything. In fact,
I know it's chicken changing now. It's
put 1,000 on top for pure water for the workers. So that they go take their church mind to do this work.
This city good in for your body. So you're going city, you're making this kind of money, building this kind of big house.
Not take me play. Call them now.
You're giving me money.
CSO! Command! Presidential! When I give order, nobody they follow me argue. Nobody. Carry your things. Where would they go? I say, now me go pay.
You're bringing it.
Carry your things.
God blessing you more and more. For me, I go in, I current them.
See, now I they go bank. Ma go bring the money. I go bring a corgi for house.
You're coming my house.
Yes.
You know in the place.
Yes.
Because now you're getting money. Maybe brain you resetting. You're not remembering.
No. So not work here again, no.
Hi! This life is getting as EBO. So credits of yesterday, now we're getting big money. He paying 15,000 for workers that is coming to working for me. Credits now is getting this kind. Turn down, fire anybody that is saying that I'm not going to the city. So searching my greener pasture. Turn down, fire in that. Hey, CSO! Hey, Credits!
Daddy,
Kratos, if you are coming here to telling me lie, I cannot take it. Maka yesterday you come to the farm, you are sending somebody to bring in money, and they go from Anya, and you are coming here to telling me lie again. What lie are you trying to tell me?
Terry, me tell you lie. How? If I talk true, devil they shock. Not be go come. I'm not saying you go ask person when go ask another person when go ask me. If I tell you anything when be true, devil they shock. The money when I put for bank me. CSO lettuce.
What did I happen?
Not be saying loss because the money too much to loss.
Okay.
The queue too much. Queue too much. Now say make I go ATM.
Queue?
Yes.
You get sugar inside the money?
No! Line up of people.
Okay, they are lining.
Yes! Now say make I go ATM. Go collect the one when I stick it for ATM. Now me say people don't.
Wait, so if you are telling me this thing, you are telling me you go to explaining it very well to me. ATM is dashing money. MTN, they're dashing money. You're going MTN collecting money.
Forget say you know go code. See, ATM na if queue dey inside bank, you get one place when I say make they keep money for me. Make I don't go that area, go collect. Come be say people see food there. I don't provoke. I won't close that account. I won't shut her down.
Eh? Shutting it down, not or even go that way. Eh? Cooling down your temperament. Oh, cooling it down.
Let's get 40 million.
She saw so.
Ha!
I telling my mother say I'm missing something on the camera. I needed to go to that city and making more money like you. In a pattern some money. Or someone had 40 million. Only you getting it. Hi.
No. See, you don't need to rush on city because
Maka, why?
No. It take me very long time to reach where I reach. So if you see me, I suffer so take my life can't remain one bar. Come be like say one day blink low battery. And besides I don't near to die. Now can't take hammer. So not be all this one. Now make I say make you relax. I go just dey bring money come. I don't make am. I don't hammer. So cool down. Money not be the problem. You see that work? I go pay. But I want make you just reduce. Make people come off for line. I know they like, make people come, they look me where I don't go collect money.
Because today I suppose I'd go in farm. Go continue the work. But because you say you're coming bringing money to give people that are doing the work, that's why I no go in. If you are not bringing money, I go in now.
No. No. If I say I go bring money, except say you want make I bring 20 million, make it for house.
I shouting it and over here. What the risky? Ha! Oh, no problem. So when you bring in the money already?
I don't tell my account officer when open the account say call me once people reduce for line. So once he call me, I will go collect the one when you need, when you go use this week, next week, and in 2 weeks time. Because I don't want to go back to that bank again. They make me vex. I want shut the account. I want close am.
Shutting it not, Biko. Shutting it not.
And I say you go to open eye like me and steady so they watch the money.
See you coming and going. I getting things to do inside.
No problem. So once money don't enter my hand, I will call you. Yes.
Settle it down, not Biko. Do you want to Kratos, bring in the money for me. Oh, I thought about you know go.
Yeah.
Bring in it. Hey, you making money?
No problem.
Yeah, bring in it.
Yeah, no problem.
The very CSO, Chief Security Officer, acts well for conversation.
Now close your eye.
I'm closing it. Why?
If you don't close your eye, you will spoil everything. No, just close your eye.
Closing it already.
Now open am. You open am, you will spoil am. If you open am, you will spoil am. Oh yeah, now open your eye. Open am. Wait till you see.
I see him wasting watch.
Not be anyhow watch be that oh. This na CSO send president daughter message. Now be this. See, make I tell you now from Jerusalem now they buy after Dubai. When you dey hear say Jesus go Jerusalem, na Dubai na Jesus pass they enter Jerusalem. Terry, see, you see this place, make I show you. So, if you press up, all this thing move. Just know, say, something won't happen to you tomorrow. You're not going to come out for house again.
Banking to sendering watch.
And they guide you.
I reckon it too. You're giving me.
You don't like that? Make a return. Hey, no. You don't bath.
I batting taking.
No. Put them back. You will need to bath before you go wear them. Put them back.
Before wearing it?
Yes.
Why?
You go spoil them. Put them back. Or wait. You get wait for a simple shell.
Come out in your hand. Touch touching me not. Oh, if it is this thing again, it is not availability. If it is because of this thing again, it is not availability. In fact, taking it at your taking your watch at your
Wait. See, I need to check your blood. Whether I go walk with the watch. It dey work with O -2.
Once about
as I check now, waiting you get.
Taking my toe hand and checking it.
O -2. Now you get. Now wait till they check.
You working already?
Yes.
Oh yeah. So bad, you
like him?
Teresa. Running, my mother coming, running, no see so. Terry. Chineke ma. Ekere dirigi onoma. Chineke ma. Ibera. Ekere dirigi onoma. Send down fire. Send down fire, no fire. Ndekwe suchuku fire. Teresa.
Mama, I thought I was hearing an argument.
Hey, no, Mama, I was in the spirit. Communicate. What I gonna send down fire. Send down fire. Fire.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm giving a pencil to run it. Fire.
Daddy, I. Daddy, oh.
Fire.
Somebody want killing. Somebody want finishing.
Terry, you know, the way when I take the plan, I no go want make I can't carry you go America. You don't know anything about you get any man not carry good designers. If I carry good designers, if he had you know any song where they rain for city.
Hey, you get one I know that one anyway they are doing the burial here. They are praying it or somebody getting married. They are praying it already. If I can't in we put and pray, I take a scratch and I get wet in we put and pray, I take a baby go down, I take a scratch and I get wet in we put and pray, I take Babaram Chicken Car again, I take Christmas, when you go, I take I go down.
Terry!
So. They are being buried, you're not hearing it. That means
Terry. No, that one follow, but you get the one when they rain now. Even the time when I go US, when I they hang out with people like Tupac Shakur, Snow Diggy, Boys to Men.
You're going places already.
Men on Black, Now them come feature this guy now for Nigeria. Now in song they rain now, Nosadebe pikin, Nosadebe write the song, but now he can't release the song go. Baby, Panam. I like you, wahala. Baby, Panam.
I like you, wahala not.
No, the boy because say in Papa Nosadebe na in Papa na big man.
Okay, you dey koko sa? You
He
dey pass maya?
can't say like you, wahala. Anywhere you they go, baby, Panam. And now, you get as they dance up. They call and dab. You go do it like this. Baby, Panam. Oh, anything you want to do. Oh yeah, do it. Baby, Panam. Oh yeah, do it.
Why I like you city? Because every day new things is coming out.
Do it best.
Let me tell you one thing you never know about Terry. Now you are teaching me the tapper, but you back America. Baby, Canada.
Terry.
I dabbing it, I fall in.
Come, Terry. You not tell me say you be goalkeeper.
I want to dabbing it.
Now like this at one now. Which one they go grab? Now you play the music. Oh yeah, do them again. I get you wahala, baby, Panam. Anywhere you they go, I go follow you go, baby, Panam.
Anywhere you go, I go follow you they go, baby, Panam.
Daddy, I.
calling me fighter, I'm not complaining. Now you calling me thief, I'm not taking it. Because since you burning me for this house, I'm not tipping anybody.
Are you not a thief? Who gave you money to buy wristwatch? I want to know. So all my money that has been missing in this house, you are responsible, eh?
Hey. I did not tipping your money, oh. Kratos buy it for me. He buying it for me. He said when the president's daughter is going to see Jesus in Jerusalem, he giving her money to buy it for me.
Hey! Teresa, I thought you were only a fighter. Now I know that you have degenerated to all kinds of evil. You now lie, you steal, you fight.
Mama, I still not, oh. I still not, oh. Calling me thief is not a good thing. I did not theft that watch. I did not theft it. He buying it for me. I know because the...
Shut up! Shut up, your mouth. Are you really my daughter? Or did they exchange you in the hospital? I am so confused. Cha. Who did you inherit it from? Is it me, your mother? Or your innocent late father? Terry. Now go and call the places for me. Yes. Prove it if you know that it's Kratos that gave you money to buy this watch.
I am going to go and call in Kratos, Mama. If I call in Kratos and Kratos is coming here to giving you the testify that he is the one that buying it for me, Mama, you got some sorry. Because I hate it when you put in something for my head and I not giving that. You got some sorry. Mama, check it.
What kind of a child is this, God?
The very CSO, Chief Security Officer.
Kratos! I carry you, you are having a venti. I carry you, you are having a venti. I shouting pray. You are having a venti.
Terry. Why you they provoke like say you be hot water? They won't use you make a bath.
There is an urgent oh. You needn't to come into my house. Because that watch that you go in and buying for me, my mother's now, I tipping somebody's money to buying it.
Who? Your mama they provoke for the watch. Your mama know it in there. Hey, Nana, you see your mama don't they read Bible before they born us? You know say when they tell you say they buy that wristwatch for Jerusalem, you not believe? Now after Dubai, you dey enter Jerusalem. Now where Jesus pass? So your mama go down see am for Bible. That watch there. Oh, now that one nine they provoke you so.
That's why she's accusing me that I tipping people money. As you see me, Terry, I not tipping. Since my mother born me, I not tipping, and there is nothing that can make me to tipping people thing.
Oh yeah, cool down. Now CSO comrade. Now I'm buy and give you. No fear.
Coming to explain it to my mother, because now already she's calling me a thief, and I'll do it on my mind.
Cool down, calm down. See, honorary watch. Una don't dey quarrel for the house. If you see the goose when they come, when I don't order, from Bristol Inputs, they after US. They carry una goose come, you and your mother own.
Because it has do. The one you are bringing before is causing too much problem, and you are trying to bring in another one. Man, to defending the one you bringing before. Because come and explain it to my mother before she calling me thief because I broke on your shoe.
No, just cool down. See, you know say.
To explain it to her.
When I go geography, the things when I buy come, I never even bring them come. You they complain. No worry, just they go. I go come in the house, come tell your mama.
If you like, you know him, Papa Joe. That one, I brought my consignment. Coming to explain to my mother.
The very CSO, Chief Security Officer.
Not even that you lying to me. You lying to me, picky Ryan. That is what you telling me. Telling me you working with the president. Say president, you sending president daughter to go and buy me something. I don't know you're here doing getting man. Hey. But it is alright. It is alright. So this house, I go stay in here with you. Come on, I go chief here. all the rhyme you're rhyming to me in the village. Ah, they're going. I go rhyme my own back. Hi. Hi, Kratos, you can rhyme. Hi. Have this. Are you looking it? It's for you. Your new uniform. I starting school? No. It's what you'll be wearing in this house from henceforth, instead of this rag you wear in my house. And your hair, I'll give you money to make your hair. I have allergy for dirt. You need to look good. Look classy. You see the way I look? You see everywhere, everything in this house is very clean and classy. I want you to be tush.
My mother is burning me. He burning me from the womb. I cannot be tissue. Telling me I become tissue. That's one other opposite. I cannot be tissue.
Stop it! I'm still talking. And nobody said something or anything about tissue here.
You're talking?
I mean, you need to be neat, you need to be classy because you cook my meal, you give me food to eat and my child, my entire family. So you need to be very neat.
I'm getting it now.
So you start wearing this immediately. Remove this rag you're putting on. Okay. And one more thing. You address me as Mrs. Robinson.
Yes, Mrs. Robinsons.
Are you alright? Was that what I said? I said Mrs. Robinson. And my husband, Mr. Robinson. Am I clear?
You talking it now, I'm talking it back. Mrs. Robinsons.
You're very stupid.
Wearing this, because I'm wearing this, you get into this place. I'm starting school. I'm wearing this, I'm working in this house.
Somebody want damage English. Somebody want give English epilepsy. I'll say what I do. You bring it up, I take it. Also for oops. I mean, tell you give English, upper control. We sing English.
Hey, Terry! Teresa!
Mr. and Mrs. Robinson.
I got money. Yeah, how are you? Hello. What?
See, what do you think?
Wow. She looks good. How did you do that?
I told you, don't trust your classy wife. I told you I was going to package.
That's not good. But, why is that twine on her leg? What's it doing there?
Oh my gosh. This girl is so bush. Sweetie, she's so bush. Please get that. I'm tired, please.
Remove it from the leg. I'm blinking it.
What's that?
Now light on your neck.
Oh! Wonders never end.
Alright,
Mr. and Mrs. Robinsons, this one you people are renting out. I wouldn't want you in another house water. So I'm not knowing what I will prepare for you. I should making it ufongu or yam or making it beans. I don't know what you want to do in another.
Okay, prepare porridge yam with dry fish. Plenty of fish.
Okay? Doing very well.
Lettuce, sir, get the gate.
Very spicy. Auntie, your beautifulness. Take it now. Okay, now. Jesus, what you like? Love is sitting in the kitchen and okay, you are niceness.
Thank you.
Somebody want damage. Somebody want give me the epilepsy. I'll see what I do. You bring it up, I take it.
Hey.
Hurry me not, Onyala. Hey. Now I know why they look fine more than in the village because of the rank of love they are giving you is making you to come out.
Yeah.
Hey.
All of us for city. That's all our love be. That's all of us get love. Eh? I get amo.
You getting this kind of love. This thing no matter I'm giving you like your own. Yeah, I got the woman. I removing it.
Don't lose that thing though. Before you go demote yourself.
Tap it, John. Okay? If I keep you quiet, you write another ride for me.
Only you demote yourself.
Inside the love is in a house. We sing English in a go to go. Confusion menting. In a one somebody.
Auntie, can I ask you a favor?
Asking it. What? Hey, you're going to give him one.
What do you say?
Oh my God, you're saying you want him to ask him something.
Auntie, can you please follow me to my car and meet some of my friends? And since you are accused to save me every day, I need some of my friends. So, what do you think?
Because if you're asking me, I would want him to go into your school to meeting your teacher. My neighbors would know you. If I speak in English, they're laughing you, and I don't want him to be laughing you like that. So what I would make him to give. I'm not going again there. Please don't tell me to your mother.
Inside the love is in a house. We sing English in a go to go. Confusion menting. In a one somebody want damage English. Somebody want give English epilepsy. I'll see what I do. You bring it up, I take it. Also for oops, I mean oof. Then you give English, uppercut. We sing English, man. Then you go down.
Why is my car washed? Till this time. Cletus! Where is this fool? Cletus! Cletus!
Madam! Huh? Madam!
Do you know you're very stupid?
No, till yesterday when you tell me. Good morning, ma.
Why is my car washed till this time when you know I'm so good?
Oh, no. Hey! Madam, see eh? Hey! I washed this car 2 times. I rinsed am 2 times. I can't even tell myself say they waste water. I don't know say na for dream. I don't know say na for dream I dey wash this motor.
I don't know say that for drink.
Is this what my husband is paying for? You're just immoral.
Hey! Madam, me! I'm not be Mohawk. I know that foul. The foul not well. I'm not be Mohawk. And now this thing they make me they do.
Hey, shush it! Get my car washed this minute or I will make you lose your job.
Hey! Madam, I beg, I go wash the car now, eh? But I don't want to lose my job, I beg. See, madam, they say he get one thing when go come this country. He name na recession. I'm hungry go there, and it be like saying our village go first come before he go come. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay.
Here comes a jolly good fella. All one is the the very CSO, Chief Security Officer, Axwell for
recession, recession.
Yeah. For this house, why they tell you, not only wins in beauty, none of the
When I watch for drink, they not be come out for real life, eh? Now I go lose my work. Hey, madam! This is Robbie. I don't want something.
to communicate in our life. Waiting again, I go do. Anything I do now, I don't know what thing I go do again. We sing, all you see there forget. Never like inside this house. See your second. We sing. Daddy, oh, 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 somebody want kill, somebody want finish, Daddy kill English, Daddy don't have my English, I see the visa he don't pass, I bet you don't your head, somebody don't spark it.
Mom.
Yes, love.
I don't like my new auntie.
Sweetie, why did you say that?
Because she hardly talks to me. And when she does, she stays vernacular. And Mom, I don't understand vernacular.
Oh, my love. I'm so sorry about that, okay? Just give her a little time. Just be patient with her. She will change. Moreover, Mommy will talk to her when Mommy comes back, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you try and be a good girl.
Okay, Mom. Mom, we are almost at our school.
Yeah!
Pouring inside and Susie let me pouring it in my belly now. Okay, man, tanto pouring inside here.
Can you imagine? My water that you served me and you drink it in my presence?
Sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Lodensense.
Oh God. What kind of problem is this? By the way, what took you so long?
Oga, all the way. You see that stove the was stubborn because I climbed to on it, before I managing to on it. So it is the stove that is refusing to on.
Stove? What are you talking about?
Stove I cooking with,
There is no stove in this house except you are referring to the gas cooker.
Yes, the gas cookery. It is the thing that is giving me problem. Let me tell you something. I have a very, very stupid net. All the very, very stupidity. Gas cookeries. Because I only need it. Ojo. I only need it. Or wish you have to call madam or call her telling how. Because when she coming now, or chocolate pepper soup, there is no stove.
Oh God. What kind of crap is this? Eh? I don't blame you. I blame my wife for bringing you to this house. What's that awful smell? Have you had your bath?
I bath no sense. I waking up, I taking my bath to both, but when the house and eating.
You stink.
Zinc.
You're smelling.
Don't talk in it though. Don't talk in it.
Stop! Get back!
You see, I'm not smelling because if I smell you cannot come in so. I'm not smelling. I waking up, I bathing those go. Tell not smelling. Because Mr. and Mrs. Robinson, sir, I'm not smelling.
Perhaps I will ask my wife to get you a roll up. That's resolved.
Inside the Robinson house.
Okay, then.
We see the confusion in a one. Somebody want damage English. Somebody want give English. I'll see what I do.
You talking tissue rolling? I bringing it. It's what I'm what for.
Oh my
You not wanting it?
It's not your fault. It's my wife's fault for bringing someone like you into my house. You served me breakfast. I just can't take it. I have salad here. You went into the toilet and got me tissue paper.
You asking, I bring him.
Will you get out? Come on, get out from here! Out!
Sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Slow. So you eating? You looking the food, not eating it. Oh, not so. And then you go there. Not so. It is very fruity. It's in it. When it comes to hand station, I know it. Coming from village. Testing it at home. Watch them, yeah. Cooking it very well for me. Eating it. Sleeping. Mr. Robinson's. I'm not understanding this. I'm not understanding it. Madam Oni, Oga Oni, they're telling me not to speak in Igbo. I come in here, I suffer it myself. I speak in English. Yeah, to Juro how. My madam is a beautiful nurse somebody and don't worry, is good. If not, I for resignation. Because this is not how to work. Imagine. My telling me I baffing. He asking me, you baffing? Huh, awful. That I hearing in this house. Maybe I resignation. Maybe I'm not working again.
Somebody want finish English. I tell you what I English. Tell you don't have much English.
Daddy?
What are you doing here? You're coming here, Makadena.
Daddy, this why your blood just dey hot like say they won't take you to make a bath. Cool down now.
You're coming inside this house, so you're talking good English because Madam Echigo one and not Chorokwa pidgin, you speaking pidgin and Bob. Is either you talking English or you're jabbing a gate.
Oh, Terry, I say make I even ask you, how you and Oga Robbie and the wife did they do this quiz English? Everybody keep it.
Because shorten it, can we hear? See, if not that na Maga your name was supposed to be lying news. Your name was supposed to be right news because you're writing too much. Now I come in here with differentness. When you're asking about if I'm talking English, I talking it very well here. Because when you meet me in the village, it's not English I talking with you. I talking Igbo with you. Not English I speaking for you.
Wait.
The same English I speaking in village, I speaking for Mr. Robinson and Madam Robinson.
See, Terry, you know they forget something. Something when happen for village, you don't carry and come city again. No the verse. See, I just say make a con check whether
you're writing too much.
I go see something put for my system. Person don't they go. My ancestors they call me, they don't they do me like this. If I'm not push up, now go a day.
See, if you know what is good for you, because go and answer it their ancestors. Your ancestors, because you writing too much. All the salute I saluting you in the village. It's some CSO. Hey, I suffering myself. I saluting you only for me to be able without another thing. Now you're telling me to give me. See that opo in your belly. Tag. You know, man not trailer and gaffy no. Going to your gate. Leaving this place because if something missing here, madam, I'm catching you responsibility.
No.
If something missing here, madam, I'm catching you responsibility.
See, Terry, I don't do this as since so something not the loss.
You're not dying here. You're dying gate. You're not dying inside here. You're dying gate.
You bring something for me.
You going your gate.
I beg.
Rhinos can ride.
I beg.
Because Seba for awful. You are awful. Talking it like madam and dog. Awful. Allah can ride.
Aunt Teresa, did I tell you what happened? Four boys were playing in our class and throwing stones at each other. Then one of them threw stones at our window and it shattered to the ground. My teacher called the boys and punished them and asked them to come with their parents tomorrow. Auntie, are you listening to me? Auntie, why do you like keeping quiet each time I ask you questions?
You're not understanding that each time you asking me question me, it is a scattering in my heart because the good small children like you can speak in it big English. But no, okay, I cannot speak in it like you because I'm not going to school. Because when my mother telling me to go into school, I'm not taking it seriously. I see you going the disadvantagements.
It's okay. Stop crying. I'll teach you how to speak, okay? Auntie, I'm coming. Stop crying. I'm coming.
If I mean it, for going to school that time. Now this one begin is overshadowing me with Oyibo.
All the way from village, landing Terry, shaping out Winston English, Terry day. Aburu Winston English, oh, say yes, somebody do what out for. Oops, I mean, Ufu, Terry, no the thief, Terry, no good person. Terry, the was sharp, but in English now. Terry, go down, Ukulata, Ukuragan, Terry, I'm a English, man, on a somebody want kill English, somebody want finish English, I tell you slaughter English, Terry don't hammer English, I see the misery don't pass here, I bet me not your head, somebody don't spark English, no go and shit for this one,